So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of Page Property by the MCI Home. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now guys, I am here at the Calleja Heights in Cebu City. So guys, makikita naman natin dito, nandito tayo sa Good Shepherd Street. So where is it stipulated and located? In Banawa, Guadalupe, Cebu City. So ito guys, this project has a 4-tower buildings. However, the first building that is released is the Leia building. So meron tayong 43rd floors na meron dito. So we have the roof deck and the penthouse. So makikita natin dito sa project brief, yan, nandito yung ating yung mismong model ng ating building. Plus we have the 3.6 hectares na meron tayo dito. Then we have the additional 1.2 hectares for the roof deck. So meron tayong sky bridge, makikita naman natin dito, which is nakadikit siya for each building. So ngayon guys, we have 4 districts na meron tayo dito kay Calleja. So we have the Summit District, which is facing the mountains. We have the Don District na facing yung Mactan Channel. So guys, marami pa tayong available units here. Tapos we still have the 5% discount na ino-offer dito. So please grab this. So if ever na may questions kayo or kung gusto niyo na mag-reserve, ayan, just feel free to message me dito sa aking mga social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook page. Yan, syempre sa TikTok meron din ako. So please don't hesitate, asking is free. Yan, if ever kung nasa ibang bansa kayo, just feel free to message me. Pwede ako mag-zoom sa inyo. And I have a WhatsApp. So kung nasa US kayo, pwede kayong tumawag sa akin, or other country, pwede kayong tumawag sa akin. So guys, take note meron tayong 5% discount for this project, and malaki yung bagay na yon para maka-save kayo. And guys Calleja Heights is one of the biggest condo complex in Cebu City. So ito guys, maraming salamat sa pag-support, sa panonood, and have a great day ahead, and God bless.